everyone, I'm Courtney with IGA. Who doesn't want a hot breakfast every single morning on the go? Well, I've got one for you. All it is sausage, eggs, cheese, and these little tortilla wraps. Now you can use any kind of tortilla that you want, but I like to use the flat out bread. Only thing is they come in packages of 6, so you might have to buy 2. The idea here is to make enough breakfast for 5 days if it's just you and somebody else. If it's for a bigger family, you'll have to do the math. But what I do is make 10 little breakfast burritos and I stick them in this little dish. And that way, my husband and I, we get breakfast every single day for 5 days, okay? So what I do is I have a dozen eggs and then a whole pound of just some mild breakfast sausage. Now, if you have been following the blog for any length of time, you know that my husband's really picky, so he doesn't like any kind of vegetables. If you do like vegetables, go ahead and saute those up, and you actually might be able to stretch this a little bit further and get more burritos out of it, maybe even like 12, 13, or 14. But for this, for the sake of discussion, just a dozen eggs, and then 1 pound of breakfast sausage, and then just enough cheese for sprinkling. You know, no real math on this. You just kind of fill the burrito to where you can roll it up, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay. So I do, sprinkle a little cheese. I could probably put just a little bit more in there. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna roll the ends first, and then you just kind of tuck everything in this way. Flip it over. Okay, then you begin to just wrap it up to where you want to seal the ends because you don't want them to get dry. Now the secret's in the paper towel. You want to wet it on both sides. Don't drench it, just kind of sprinkle it on both sides. Stick it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Check it again, 30 seconds more, and it'll be really, really, really hot. But that way you can eat it in your car on the way to school or work or church or what have you, and you have a hot breakfast on the go. This recipe is on IGAmeals.com. See you next time.